Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare DeepSeek, ChatGPT and Copilot. DeepSeek, ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot are all powerful AI tools, but they each shine in different areas when it comes to coding and productivity. DeepSeek is designed specifically to help developers find answers in large code bases. It's like having an AI-powered search engine that can scan documentation, repositories, and internet tools to quickly pull up relevant information. It's really useful if you work with huge projects and need to understand unfamiliar code fast, but it's more focused on searching and navigating code rather than generating it. ChatGPT, especially in its coding modes, it's more of an all-round assistance. You can ask it to explain code, generate snippets, debug problems, or even brainstorm solutions. It's flexible and conversational, which makes it great for solo developers or learners who want explanations alongside solutions. However, it might not integrate directly into your code editor as smoothly as some other tools. GitHub Copilot works right inside your IDE, suggesting code as you type. It's best if you want real-time coding help without switching windows. It speeds up repetitive tasks, fills in boilerplate, and can even complete entire functions based on comments or partially written codes. But sometimes it offers suggestions that need reviewing or tweaking, so it's more of a copilot than a replacement. In my opinion, if you want instant coding suggestions inside your editor, Copilot is the way to go. If you want a versatile AI helper for coding questions, explanations, and brainstorming, ChatGPT is better. But if you're navigating complex databases and need to search across lots of files or docs, DeepSeek will save you time. Each has its strength depending on what part of coding or productivity you're focusing on. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.